Before we set up my yield node, let's find out what is masternoding and how exactly yield nodes work. You should never invest in something you don't understand. Even then, it could still not work out as advertised. So please do your homework. Okay, what is masternoding?
A masternode, like any other Thor node, is a node server within a network. Thor nodes are important because they process transactions and store them in the blockchain. In addition, however, a masternode operator has tasks and rights that a normal Thor node operator does not have. For this, the operator gets high rewards. In order to obtain the status of a masternode, the masternode operator must deposit a corresponding number of coins. His performance of the tasks and the provision of computing power and storage space yield rewards on the basis of the corresponding coins, proof of stake. Regular masternoding yields approximately 6% a year. High-risk coins can yield 1000% a year, but they are not fluid and very unstable. The truth to earn good and stable profits lies somewhere in the middle. If you operate the appropriate masternodes and constantly monitor and optimize with clever strategies, extraordinary profits can be realized. That's what yieldnodes.com is for. Our IT team will consistently monitor switch and change stakes to generate the highest yield at the smallest risk. What yield can be expected? In the past 18 months, we have made an average yield of about 13%. See also profit. After deduction of our share, you would have about 11% per month with a similar performance. We have a lot of experience with the masternode coins, and we have developed and successfully tested different strategies for all possible situations.
Now to my yield node setup. First, you sign up here on their website. The link is in the description below. Here is a look at their dashboard. You would make your first deposit here, but please note, you must deposit at least 500 euros, which is a little less than 600 US dollars. This deposit can be made with Bitcoin, BTC or Tether, USDT, the TRC20 version. To be safe, if you don't understand the different types of Tether, then I suggest using Bitcoin. But before you make your first deposit, I strongly suggest you complete your KYC, know your customer information first, and wait for your approval confirmation. This took just an hour or so for me, but it can take longer. Now that my KYC documents are verified, let's get to the good stuff. Here, I am testing out what amount of euros equals in BTC. Let's go to my Coinbase account to buy and then deposit $1,000 worth of BTC. You enter your amount of BTC here and then press the Show Generate Bitcoin Address button here. Use this address to send your BTC to yield nodes. Once the BTC transaction is complete, you will see your pending funds located here and here. While we wait, let's set our node to compound 100% of the profits. I intend to let these funds compound for several years. If I continue to feel this is a legitimate project, I will add more funds over time. We will break down the compounding effect in a later video. Any withdrawals requested between the 1st and 15th of the month will be processed on the 8th of the following month. Okay, I have now received an email telling me that my deposit was approved. Please note that the system will display the amount as idle during the next 7-day grace period as they rent the servers and acquire the stake amounts needed for the masternoding process. Then, your deposit will switch to active and start generating yield. Here, you can see my fund status has changed from pending to idle, even though the status still shows up as pending up above. Also, you can see that the release date is 6 months from today. Since I intend to keep my funds here for several years, this is not an issue, but it could be for you, so think about this carefully. Here we are 10 days later. I have no pending funds and my masternode is all set up. I have no profits to show because no profits were earned during the 7-day grace period. Here at the bottom, you can see that the status has changed to approved. Once my profits start to show, I will be making follow-up videos. If you found this video informative, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for several videos like this and personal finance in general. Again, I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research. Take care, my friends. If you're still here, thanks for making it this far in the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out the links below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell, as it will help out this channel a lot. Check out one or both of the videos listed here on this page. And as always, learn more, hustle on, and power through. Thank you, and see you all in just a few minutes.